Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Today I'm working on week 29 of Margarete Miller's collage assignment, and the prompts are a ticket stub from any event, and I don't think I have any. I might make one up, but I don't know. Embossed paper, an animal with scales, a fruit, a foreign language, and an illustration. So what I thought I would do was show you how I can emboss a paper. I'm going to actually emboss this paper that I have is actually already embossed, but I want to emboss it some more. So let's see how it will come out. Whoops. You just put your paper in the embossing folder and put it on one of the, I don't know, you make your sandwich, they call it, and it's not going through very well. Run it through your embossing machine. Ooh, I wonder if it's too thick. I think I only need maybe one plate. That doesn't feel like it's going to be enough to emboss, though. I don't think that did anything. It doesn't feel hard enough. I think we do need, yeah, that didn't do anything. We somehow do need, maybe we need to take one of these. Sometimes you have to take one of the pages out. I don't know how they do it. Let's see if this is right. See, here's all the different sandwiches you make. It says when you're embossing to use both plates, though. I had a hard time getting it through. Maybe this will work. If not, I'll try again with the original way. Oh, yes, that worked. Can you see? There's my embossed paper. And that I think we will have as our background. So I also want to try this embossing folder. It's kind of like a frame. That might look good too. Okay. Oh, did I do it that way before? Did I have two? Yeah, I think I did. I don't remember. Okay. And there we have our frame. So let me get all this out of the way and then we'll figure out what else we're doing. Alright, so I think I have everything that I want to use here. I am going to ink up all my edges, and I'm also going to ink this a little bit so it stands out so you can see it better. And around the edges too. Actually, it pretty much is around the edge. Most of the bottom is going to be cut off, so I'll do that last. I'll ink that edge last. I have this snake as my animal with scales, and I don't know if I can ink him up or not. He's pretty slithery. He's slithery and delicate. How are you guys doing? I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, and enjoying your summer. As I am actually filming this, it is the first day of summer. I'm filming ahead because my two of my grandkids are coming for a week in July, so I wanted to get stuff done. And these are my fruits. I have 2 apples, Alright, now this is a description of a mother of pearl lacquerware jewelry box that my daughter-in-law's parents gave me when they came for a visit from Korea. Oh, it's just really pretty. And I have to make sure this is the right side up. So I think the first thing I should do is glue that down. Oh, and here are my tickets. I forgot I had these. So, you know, when you are doing a raffle or something, you get to keep this part. That's your ticket stub. So I'm going to use that for my ticket stub. Not really from an event, but it's close enough. As far as I'm concerned, it's close enough. Alright, I need, I think, to use Fabri-Tac for this. Because it's pretty textured. And I don't think a glue stick will work very well. Let's go in there. There's only a tiny bit. I didn't realize that it was going to be only about an inch too tall, or too long, I should say. Didn't get it on perfectly straight. There. I'm going to need some glue right here. There we go. Ink the bottom up. Okay, and now I just need to figure out where I'm going to place everything. I was going to put this in the middle. How about I put my apples on the bottom? My snake and my coupon. So put it like that. Or under. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it right just like this. Maybe the snake just kind of coming across the top there. I think that's it. Let me make sure we have everything. A ticket stub, embossed paper, animal with scales, fruit, and a foreign language. And I'm not doing the illustration bonus. Alright, so this needs to go down first. I'm just going to use Fabri-Tac for everything in this collage. Would I have it like that? No, I don't even remember. Put it like that. It doesn't matter really, I guess. Okay. That like, maybe I'll have that straight. Now my little squiggly snake. Oops. Don't want to go off camera. The other day it was only in the 60s. It was pretty chilly. And then it was in the almost in the 90s. It was 87. And it's supposed to get back into the 80s again. I need some glue right there. Last year at this time we were having a big heat wave. Really severe heat wave, actually. Because I remember my grandson came during the last week of, I think it was the last week of June, and we were still in the heat wave. We were in the heat wave a long time. It was a very hot summer. Okay. Oh, I still have to get these down. Try to disguise the fact that it's kind of blank down there. And there. That's it for my week 29 Margarete Miller collage. thanks so much for watching. Stick around and check out some more of my videos if you so choose. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and like my videos and share them, because that would help my channel out so much. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.